Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I have a AliExpress haul to share with you. This is from the 11/11 sale they had in November, and I got majority of it over the weekend and one or two pieces maybe a week before. So all of my order has come in from the 11/11 sale on AliExpress, and I'm just going to share what I got. So I wrote the name of the stores on the package because some of them I don't know how to pronounce. But yeah, so Ye Store, from Ye Store. And some of these I got extra, so I'm going to put them up on my Etsy shop. So yeah, I'm going to sell them there. But I got 2 packages of, sorry for the crinkling, and I'm going to leave the link to the products in the description box below. Hopefully you can find them in stock, but there's a few different pieces here. So we have the rainbow, we have the cloud, so there's different color rainbows. There's a bluish one, a purple one, a pink one, and a green one. And then we have blue and pink clouds. And then we have these Christmas-like deers. So cute. And these unicorns. And I think that's all of the different pieces that come in this set. So, yeah. They're like silicone, rubbery. They're great to add to projects or to gift to crafty friends. But so I got 2 packages of those. I want to say it's a 30 piece. It could be a 27 piece. I don't know if it says it on the packaging. It probably does, but it's in Chinese. So that was from Ye Store, Y-E, Ye Store. I also ordered, this is from Birthday Land 93 Store, some dies, and they're just ribbon dies. So there's the one ribbon die. And here's the other ribbon die. And then they sent me a free die. They sent me a free die as well. And how did they know I love Minnie? So I got that from Birthday Land 93 Store. And like I said, the links are going to be in the description box below. I'm going to try to move this fast. So I did get this from Alina Cuddle. It is a spider web bag topper is what it's supposed to be. However, I feel like I could use it for other things, like a snowflake if I do it in different colors, not just black or something like that. But yeah, that's what that is. And then these are the ones that came in first. And the Cheshire is from Shop 5874342 Store. The other patch, the Mad Hatter hat, I don't know where I got that one from. It was a different store, but we're all mad here. And then the Cheshire patch. So I might be sharing these in my Etsy shop as well. So there is a link somewhere in my description box below. I know there's a link if you guys are interested in checking the shop out. There's not too many things on it, but I will be adding stuff slowly to it. And then I got this from QQIAN123 Store. And I got 5 packs of these, and they're like little beads. I'm just dropping everything. They are flower beads, And you can see the hole. There is a hole through them. But they come in an assortment of colors. And so these I definitely am putting up on the Etsy shop. And like I said, that's from QQIAN123 store. Then I also got from Fashionable patch store. I picked up these patches, and they're just Sally and Jack patches. So I got 4 of each of those. But this is a nice size patch. It's at least 3 by 3 probably. Yeah. Fashionable patch store. Oy. Well, that didn't work too well. And I got this from DANN store. And just 1 packages of these. I did think that these colors were not as bright. In the pictures it looks pastel, like pastel colors. To me these look brighter than, they almost look fluorescent to me because of the orange, I guess. I don't know. But I got 1 pack of those. I got, I think 3 packs, 4 packs, 5 packs of these beads. And these beads are 8mm. There's 100 in a pack. And they have a little silver, can you see them, swirl that goes through them? And this is from Ashcraft DIY store. Thought one of them was open, but I guess not. So I'm gonna be putting a couple of these packages up on the my Etsy shop. Sorry for all the crinkling. I got this from Ray Fox Life Store. This isn't craft, but I'm just gonna give it a try. I love avocados, and so this is supposed to you're supposed to be able to cut it and then scoop it out, and it comes out in slices. We'll see. I also got from DIY Craftsman Supplies store. I got 2 packages of these glittered, puffy, like there's crowns, there's bunnies, there's hearts, there's stars, and they're like in gold and silver and pink. And so I hope you guys can see that through the glare. But I will be putting some of these up on the on my Etsy shop. What else? I've got more beads. I got these raspberry. Oh, this one, it broke in the bag. I got these raspberry beads. And I want to say they're probably 8mm as well. And they come in an assortment of colors. And I got a few packages of these, so I'll probably be posting these up on my Etsy shop as well. But here they are. Fun, fun beads. Dropping them everywhere. So if you're interested in those, be looking on my shop. And then I also got, oh yeah, I got a couple of these, and I'm going to be putting the other 2 up on my shop. But they are, they look like pucks, you know, to play air hockey. But they're actually to apply pressure on your stamp. I saw some people using it, so I thought I'd give it a try. Let's see what's... I'm sorry this video is going to end up being long, but usually my haul videos are. So I'm assuming it's going to stick there, and then I can just apply even pressure. We'll see how this works. Hopefully it allows me to get a cleaner stamp image. So hopefully that sticks. But yeah, we'll see. I'll let you know how that goes, but I will put the other two up on my Etsy shop. And then the last, this bag opened as well, but I have several different bags of beads that I've ordered. This is just one of them, the one the bag broke. I'm pretty sure these are either 5 or they're probably 5mm. Could be 8. But I got several different colors. These are the assorted packs. And yeah. And I got this from the Yiwu Beads Store. YIWU Beads Store. So that was my haul. I'm pretty glad it got here, you know, within 6 weeks at least. And so Allie's doing pretty good with the shipping. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Please consider liking and subscribing, joining me on my crafty journey for more videos like these. See here. And until my next video, shakas!